Hello, my name is Corey Burkholder, career coach and creativity coach, and I have an invitation for you. I am going to be holding a Playshop, is what I call it, on January 11th, 2024. It's called Success Blueprint 2024, Crafting Goals, Connections, and Art Playshop. So I love to combine visualization, art, connection all together and give us a nice framework to really dream about what it is that we want to create in the new year. So this is for all of you professionals who are feeling tired and wanting a change in the new year. It's really just a nice creative break from your routine, escape from the monotony of your job, and just really a place for you to tap into your creativity. And I'm going to lead us on a visualization where you're going to turn off that left brain and really just drop into yourself. And I'm going to take you on a really nice journey to meet your future self and to really just dream and see what comes through on that. And we're going to have a little bit of an art session. So I want you to bring all of your art materials that you have laying around. It could be watercolors, it could be markers, paper, pens, whatever it is that you have. We really want to tune into our creativity because it's just a way for our subconscious mind to come forth. And often there's a lot of surprises that happen there. And then finally, we'll take all of this and we'll start to really map out a game plan for your next year. And there's going to be time for connection and networking and sharing our visions. There's a lot of magic that happens when you're able to really articulate it and when people can hear you. A lot of magic, a lot of networking, a lot of resource sharing. So that's going to be really magical as well. Bring your favorite beverage. It could be juice, wine, water, tea, coffee, whatever that is. And I'm going to send out that invitation, or there's going to be a link under this video to join. And it's just $24 for 2024. You're going to get a lot of value out of this, and I can't wait to see you.